Welcome back. You made it to the final stretch. Congratulations, Raquel here, and today is where everything is going to click together when using SMS in your System account. You've already set up your Twilio account. You've already integrated that Twilio account into System, and you've made sure that your Twilio number is fully verified. And so in this video, we're going to talk about getting your SMS templates fully set up inside System and then actually using them inside your System.io automations. That means reminders, updates, or those little make them smile kind of messages sent out automatically to your leads and clients. I'm going to walk you through building your first SMS workflow, simple, step by step, so you can finally have that set it and forget it feel in your business. Ready to see your automation in action? Let's do this. So the very first thing we need to do is create an SMS template. And you'll see that I've got a whole bunch in my account already, but you're going to go to SMS up here in this menu bar and then SMS templates. And then you can just click create. And this is going to look very similar to the email creator inside System. So we're going to name this template and it can be welcome to the list, something like that. And then select the phone number from Twilio that you just created and verified in our previous videos. And then you're going to type out the content of your SMS message. So for this one, we're going to assume that we're sending a welcome confirmation text message as soon as someone joins our list and provides their phone number. So we're going to say, hey, first name. And I want you to just be a little bit careful here because substitutions work slightly differently in the SMS templates than they do inside the email templates. So normally it's a single curly bracket, first underscore name, curly bracket, right? For SMS, it's actually doubled. So if you use the substitutions here, you'll see that there's double curly brackets there around first name. So just make sure that you get that right because otherwise it'll be a weird placeholder that no one will actually have their name in the text message, okay? So, hi first name, welcome to the whatever your company's name is, family, you'll get updates here when we have something cool. Okay, obviously make this a little more exciting than what I'm putting here. This is just an example. And then we're gonna hit save. So now you'll see the welcome to the list template has been created. That's it. That's literally how easy it is. Now the thing is we need to actually send that. And in order to send the SMS, we need to have it incorporated into an automation, whether that's an automation rule or an automation workflow. Automation rules are the easiest, so we're gonna go ahead and start with that. So if you go to automations, and rules and click create, we're going to say that when someone subscribes to a form in one of our opt-in funnels, we're going to, you can add whatever tag you want to add. We'll just put a test tag here. And then we'll also send them an email. That's their confirmation email, right? Whatever that is. And then, in addition to the things that we normally do when someone opts in, like sending a tag and adding a tag and sending an email, we're also going to add a SMS step here. So send SMS all the way at the very bottom. And here, all you have to do is click and go to your SMS template that you just created and hit save rule. Now, I definitely recommend testing this. So we just created this rule for this lead funnel template. I would for sure go in and test to make sure that this actually works. And one of the things that we will need to do in order to test this is to make sure that the lead funnel or the opt-in page or the landing page that you've attached this automation rule to actually collects their phone number. So if we go to our sales funnels here and open up that lead funnel that we were just looking at and go to the opt-in page and edit this page, you'll see that there is just a first name and an email address here, so we won't actually be able to send them a text message. So in order to be able to send them a text message, we've got to be able to add another field where we can make this their phone number field. Okay, and obviously we're going to want to add some top margin here, make it look a little nicer. Okay, so now we have first name, email address, and phone number. Now you may want to make phone number optional because a lot of people aren't really comfortable giving out their phone number, and you don't want to turn away leads just because they won't give you their phone number unless there's something specific you want to be doing with their phone, like they're signing up for a 30-day text message campaign. You obviously need their phone number, so leave it required there. But for normal opt-in forms, we may want to leave that as optional, and then you can actually put that in the placeholder as well. is optional phone number. Okay? So that way they know that it's not something they have to give you in order to submit their information. So now if we save that and we open this page up, you'll see that that phone number is there. And as soon as someone enters their information and says, yes, send it to me, they'll go to the thank you page for whatever that was, but they will also, check this out, get the text message, okay? So that worked, and I definitely recommend testing that in your own funnel, making sure that you have the phone number field added to your opt-in form, and then testing it with your own information so that you can verify that that is working. Now, a couple of quick things that I've noticed as possible reasons that people may not be receiving your messages, or that you may notice in your SMS statistics that you have high percentages of failures. So this is the one we just created, and you'll see it was delivered to me totally fine, 0 failed. But you'll also see a whole bunch of these where the failure percentage is really high. And usually that's honestly because they're entering an international phone number that I have decided not to support on my Twilio account. So that's something to consider. For me, I'm supporting US and Canada, New Zealand, Australia, and United Kingdom, and that is it. So if you have people from other countries that are entering their phone numbers, those are likely going to show up as failed. Now, you're going to want to make sure to enable any of those countries inside your Twilio settings. So to do that, you're going to log back into your Twilio account, and you're going to hit this messaging dropdown, and then settings, and then you will see an area here called Geo Permissions. When you click on that, you will see a big long list of countries that they support, and you will need to check whatever countries you want to be supporting. So your country will be checked by default, but then you'll need to go in and add any other countries that you want to be supporting so that you're able to send text messages to those countries. All right, so you're going to want to go in and do that, and this is, again, under messaging, settings, and geo permissions. So if you're seeing a really high failure percentage, you're going to want to make sure to go check those settings as well. And now that you've got your SMS template added, your automation rule here showing you exactly where you're going to be sending that SMS and why, you've added the phone number to your opt-in page, you've tested that whole funnel and verified that your geo permissions are correct inside Twilio, you're now set up and ready to use SMS inside your own system account with your clients and leads. Look at you, your first SMS workflow is live and ready to go inside System. How amazing is it to know that your business can connect with your audience automatically, even while you're off doing what you love, right? Now, if you want my done-for-you automation recipes and even more hand-holding, check out the Simple Systems Society. Link is below for all of the details. That's where I help coaches and course creators like you fully leverage System.io for their business. And if you have any questions or you want to share your first I did it moment, drop me a comment below. I'm cheering you on always. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tech wins, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.